Hey, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you something very, very simple. I'm sharing these videos because a lot of times just the simple things in life make people not have to stress. I'm going to show you quickly how to change this situation. A lot of you probably have these and you cut them on and off. You're like, oh, what is going on? What do I do? And you look at it and you're like, what the heck? Did you know that, let me take this, got this thing kind of pulled, that you can change a bulb, and it's right in here, and it's very simple. You go in and you pull the base of it out and the bulb is there. I just took mine out, so this is what it looks like in the inside. This lamp is nothing to do with the bulb. Sometimes if you hit it, you nick it, or I've dropped this. My guy was putting up the surround sound and it dropped, so the bulb went out. All you do is go to your local Dollar Tree and you grab you some 7-watt bulbs and you place the bulb inside. That is that simple. Don't get rid of it. It's not broken. Even the ones you get from the store through packaging and shipping and stuff like that, sometimes the bulb in the inside is blown, so therefore it doesn't work. See, now my Himalayan salt lamp is going to be back working again. So all you do is go to Dollar Tree and grab you some bulbs, and then it is back in full effect. I hope this video was helpful. I just had a friend that was a little upset with the fact that her lamps weren't working anymore, and people do not know. You just take them, pick them up, and underneath you replace the bulb. That is how you replace a bulb in a Himalayan salt lamp. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, share it. Make sure you thumbs up because that helps my channel grow, and join my family by subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And make sure you check out my other channels, the Inspiration channel. It is the CPR Vibe. I load inspiration every morning, Monday through Friday at 6 a.m. Something to get you started on your day, something to think about, something to motivate you to keep positive thoughts in your mind. So with that being said, I will see you guys later, Gators.